And it's open. The race is on. Everybody basically literally just sprinting to get into the parks. One last walk down Main Street, Natalie. I will be back. We'll be back. Castle's all been newly painted and that. Looks pretty cool. Nothing new. That's a new window that's been put in. This is weird, we're at the front of the queue to get through the castle. We're the first ones through, Natalie. Natalie's run ahead so she can try and do the sword in the stone. Try it. Nah.
Ready? Oh, you're not the king either.
Just wanted to show you the back of the castle. Feels weird, it feels as if the park's still asleep now. If it's not quite open yet. Well, I know we're in extra Magicals, but we're just going to go to Peter Pan here at the back. Get on that, because for some reason it's always busy. So we don't know why, but Peter Pan and Pinocchio are shut for some reason. I know. Aye, we're not sure. The woman never said that. She literally just says we're closed and then never told us what time they're open at, so we're not going on them. We're going to go on Buzz Lightyear and Hyperspace Mountain. They're better anyway. We just wanted to go on Peter Pan next because we've not been on them before. This is a cool wee shortcut to the left hand side of the castle. Just come through here.
Lovely.
There's nothing like Hyperspace Mountain to wake you up in the morning. That sounds brilliant. This is Ayla's favourite. Oh my god guys, we just came off a Hyperspace Mountain and we were on the back row.
That's the first time I've ever rode the back row and I feel like I've just came out a washing machine.
I know, that'll be the first and last time we go on the back row.
I'm alright usually and I feel ill. I feel like the whole ground is moving.
Legs are unstable, man. My head is killing me because it was bouncing off the back of the seat the whole time. Oh aye, that was not an enjoyable experience.
Never again.
So it was a good day for me yesterday. I beat Natalie on Buzz Lightyear and then I went on to beat her twice on Web Slingers, which I've never done. I rock, and now we're just going to go back on Buzz Lightyear, and Natalie's going to come off in a huff because I'm going to beat her again. There is no cheating, it's just better.
Pendant que vous autres vous concentrerez sur les robots, vous vous retrouverez sur la planète Z.
Yeah, I'm just better. I'm in the same vehicle, silly Billy. Time for Natalie to redeem herself.
Please face forward and sit back in your seat. Your shield will be lowered automatically.
There we go, Space Ranger. Don't let me down. Just a score update. I might be winning. So, getting into the last bit, Natalie's well in the lead. Don't know how that happened.
This is letting me win because it's our anniversary.
No chance. My gun's rubbish, that's the problem. I mean, I never let you win. So at the Cool Post, we've got some Halloween treats here. We've got the Mickey Extra Vampire Biscuit, but it's not available, and we've got the meringue Mickey Lolly, so it's just a Mickey meringue lollipop. I think I'm going to go try that.
I think I'm going to get a hot chocolate.
You're going to get a hot chocolate here?
I'm bloody freezing.
It's bloody freezing. And then you can get your Mickey cups and that here as well. There's a few other things you can get. After 2 days of trying, we managed to get the only 2 Halloween snacks in the parks. We got the meringue, Mickey meringue. This was £4.50 by the way, or €4.50.
You're about to be invaded.
It's no too bad. Oh, this bird's about to come and try and steal my... Go away. Go away. No, he's not going away. Right, so... Oh. Imagine he came and attacked my biscuits.
Too violent.
He's thinking about it, look.
You're bold, little one, you're bold.
He is bold. I wait 2 days for these, so get to. And then this one here as well was £4.50. Now it's definitely not worth it. Look at the size of it.
Brought back up.
We'll try in a wee minute once these birds get away. Look. They're bold. So first we're going to try the meringue.
Ears first.
Okay. That's just a meringue. Can't go wrong with that. Solid meringue. Good. £4.50 worth? Probably not. Next we've got the shortbread. Let's see what this is like. It's alright as well. It's nice. It's not very like buttery, and as you can see, it looks as if it's been burnt a wee bit. It's okay. It's not the greatest for £4.50, you know what I mean? 2 days awaited and they're alright, they're alright. back in for the fireworks, and how amazing does this look?
I love it.
The only problem is, for some reason, they've not lit up this bit here at the front. You will not be able to see it too great on the camera, but it looks cool. We'll show you Main Street as well. Main Street looks absolutely amazing at night. When I say Main Street, this is no Main Street yet, this is just the square. Amazing. Aye, they're cool, aren't they? All lit up. Now it feels like Halloween, eh, Natalie? A wee gazebo. The gazebo looks cool, doesn't it? All lit up. And there's your look down Main Street. We'll see the castle in the background in a wee second. It's cool, isn't it? Look at that for a view, Natalie. We're just about to head inside the castle at night, so I'll give you a wee close-up view of it. Natalie's literally just away to buy this wee mask here, all made of glass, and it's only €10. I think she says it's Dr. Facility's mask. Pretty cool. We just went on Pirates of the Caribbean, and the restaurant is in the middle of the ride, which is well cool. Smells dynamite, doesn't it? We should go there, but can you have it, Nata?
I can't have it, it's mainly fish.
Ah, there we go. Natalie wouldn't eat fish if you paid her.
Vire de bord, ma jolie. Montre-nous ces magnifiques bijoux. On veut des hommes, ils sont la clé d'un salon trésor. Doucement, petit.
Et c'est nombreuses et précieuses récompenses. Attends, je n'ai vu qu'à rien plus longtemps.